Hello, this is Michael Feathers, the sales consultant here at Cole Chevrolet, bringing you the tip of the day. For today's tip of the day, we're going to talk about trailer safety. The first tip I have is make sure you stay within your limits of your truck or SUV's towing capacity. So there's two ways to check your towing capacity. One, you can check online, or two, when opening your car door, the maximum weight amount will be stickered inside the door. The next safety tip is make sure your hitch matches what your trailer is intended for. Some trailers will have a locking mechanism to push down and locks into place. Third tip, always make sure your trailer comes with safety chains or cables to hook onto your towing package, so if your trailer falls off, it will stay attached. Your fourth tip, make sure your trailer is equipped with lights. There will be a flap you just plug in to make sure your trailer has lights. The next tip I have for you is make sure to do a walk around your trailer before exiting your parking lot or your house. Make sure that your lights are working properly. If you have trailer brakes, make sure they are connected as well. When inspecting your lights, make sure to either have somebody with you, or if not, put your hazard lights on so you can check and make sure your lights are working properly. The next thing I would like to talk about is tow haul. Tow haul mode is a feature that empowers your truck to tackle those heavier hauls with safety in mind. So in short, tow haul mode will adjust your transmission shift patterns whether going up or downhill. So don't be afraid to get your boat, your ATVs, your campers, or if you're just hauling something out on the road. Just remember trailer safety. Thank you for watching Cole Chevy's Tip of the Day. Check back next week for more tips. And don't forget, schedule your next appointment at colechevy.com.